What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We're just going to go over a quick little update for Baby Doge, talk about the technicals, and also talk about a little bit of updates that are going on and some rewards that are happening in Baby Doge. So definitely hit that like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section. Definitely check out my other channel, Marsellis Travels. And if you want to pre-save my album, definitely check that out. Link in the description. Let's get straight to it. So let's talk about Baby Doge. As you can see here, we just now fell out of this whole red area. The red area is supply and demand of less demand. So now it's pretty much showing that now that less demand is coming in. So this whole red area is pretty much bringing us down. It's pretty much a resistance area if you want to look at it like that. And that's definitely why we're going down. Also, you can see we're bearish in the last 24 hours by 60%. For the 24-hour market control is in control by the bearish by 60%. And yes, we are now falling below this level for Baby Doge. Now, it doesn't mean we're just going to go straight down to the support. There's always the possibility that we shoot back up here into this red area. But right now, there's like very little demand in this area. Baby Doge has been moving sideways. We're down 3% for the day. But don't let that discourage you, because if you go over here and you look at Twitter, you can see we're actually trending here on Twitter. You can see Baby Doge trending on Twitter. So that's pretty good. And also there's some giveaways, and the last person to win one of these giveaways is this person here. Big shout out to KT for winning this petition here for the $250. So big shout out to Katie for winning that. That is pretty much 100 billion inside Baby Doge. That's a pretty good amount. So big shout out to Kaylee. And also there's another $250 giveaway. All you got to do is retweet this tweet right here and then comment in below and tell us in detail, how would you describe Baby Doge to one of your friends? I said this: every day has its day, or every Doge has its day. Baby Doge is every day. So I think that's pretty slick. But big shout out to everyone in here. I want to see someone win this. I've never won one of these, so it'd be exciting to win. But I want to see someone win this again, because it's pretty cool to see that they're giving back money. And eventually I want to start doing stuff like this as well. But once I start making more money from YouTube and stuff like that, that's probably when I'll start rolling out stuff like this. But right now, making like $200 a month on YouTube, so it's, I don't have enough money to be giving away like that. This whole $250 giveaway, that's how much I'm making a month. So yeah, I can't do that right now. But anyways, the leaderboards are being introduced, so that's pretty cool. They said new feature coming Friday, and updated. It's the 2nd of November. As you can see, this is supposed to be the new feature that they're showing on here. They're gonna have the whole leaderboard things. And if you want to actually look at that on the official Baby Doge site, we can go straight over there and look at the Baby Doge swap. And I'll also show you all my farming journey on Baby Doge as well. So let's just go over here to the pools. And as you can see, my farming right here, we're at about, it says 0, but you just got to wait for it to load. But yeah, we're at about $5.40 in 2 weeks. So that's pretty good off of $89. So I'm pretty pleased with that. We also are able to now track on Baby Doge as well. You can see the volume in the last 24 hours was $459,000 on Baby Doge swap. That's pretty good. We're at 30.2 million inside of total value locked for liquidity. So that's pretty good as well. So overall, Baby Doge is doing fairly well. You know, if you want to just look at the overview of everything, like, we're really doing really good here on Baby Doge swap. So I'm pleased with it. We have all these other languages. You can vote, you can token lock, you can do so much more on Baby Doge swap than you think. Like, there's a lot more that we are going to be able to start doing inside the future. So I'm pretty happy with this, and I'm pretty sure everyone else is happy with this. But I want to show a few other things here with the Baby Doge. So our holders are also going up. Yesterday we had 1,631,000. Now we have 1,632,000. So it seems like every single day we're getting about 1,000 holders coming in on Baby Doge. So that's pretty exciting to see all these holders flowing into Baby Doge. So without further ado, let's keep going over the technicals here. We already looked at the 15-minute chart, the 15M chart. Now we're going to be looking at the 4-hour chart for Baby Doge. So as you can see here, we just now broke out of the resistance, like I mentioned earlier, for the 15M chart. But now on the 4-hour chart, you can see exactly where it's going to be going towards. So we should be landing at 1350 in no time. Right now we're at 1409. That's 8Z1409, 8 zeros and then 1409. And now we're going to 8Z1350. So 1350 is what we should be going down to right now for our support. Now, let's say we don't, let's say we don't drop below the support down at 1350. Then from there, we're going to actually have the potential to continue to rise for Baby Doge. If we hit the support and then we start to rise from there, we still have the potential to go back up to 1600, but that's going to be pretty hard. But something I do want you to look at here is the pattern that we've been having here in Baby Doge. So we're just going to look at for like the last week or two. So pretty much we go up here, we get rejected at a resistance, we come back down to the previous support, and then go back up. Get rejected at the resistance, come back down to the previous support, go back up, come back down, go back up, hit the resistance, come back down to the previous support, and then maybe going back up again. So this may be our road to 1600. Right now we're at 1350. So if you look at this pattern, we're following it to a T. We may have that possibility to get to 1650 or 1600 with Baby Doge. But if we don't, 1350 is definitely going to be that support level that we're going to be seeing here. So you just want to watch out for that, and I'll keep you all updated on this. But here on the oscillator, you can see, buying is still flowing in. Even though we're getting lots of selling, we're still having buying flowing in here for the oscillator. So good stuff there. Now, as for Bitcoin, so let's talk a little bit about Bitcoin here. First of all, let me type in Bitcoin again and go over here to crypto, because we're not at $393 billion. That's just not where Bitcoin is. All right, we're at 20.5K. I had the wrong one pulled up. But yeah, we're at 20.5K here for Bitcoin. And we kind of went down since the live stream that I did yesterday. I did a whole live stream. I'm going to start trying to do the live streams a lot more often. So we're going to have more live streams on this channel. But first of things first, let's talk about the technical for this. So as you can see here, we are kind of on the support. We bounced off it very briefly here, and now we're inside of like this high activity area. Remember I mentioned yesterday, we're in a high activity area, and this is green, meaning that there's supply and demand of more demand. There's more demand in this area, and we have high activity expected for institutional investors and dark pools. So we also have more high activity up here. So I really do believe Bitcoin is going to get back up to about 20.6K. We could probably see that inside the near short term. And then we have that red area up there, supply and demand of less demand. So we could be getting rejected up there once we do. And then if we can get past that, we could be getting rejected at 20.9K. So we always got to look at the rejection zones. And the 4-hour chart is probably the best chart to look at here for anything, to be completely honest, because it's a little bit more long term. But as you can see here on the 4-hour chart, the buying is slowing down, which is why you're seeing bearish signals here for the 4-hour chart, because the buying is slowing down. That's why we have this oversold area indicated by this here. And now we're having more selling indicated by this here. And notice how we're at the top of this wave, meaning buying is about to start flowing in, indicated by this here. It's starting to go upwards. So what I'm about to see here, or what we're seeing here with the with Bitcoin, is that we could quite possibly be coming back up to our 20.8K resistance, like how I showed on the 15-minute chart. Now, if all this gets rejected, we can't go all the way up here to 22K. If we can't do all that, then we are expecting the support, the bottom area here is about 20.1K, and then eventually breaking that and hitting 19.4K with Bitcoin. And then down here, we still have our 18.2K support. If all else fails, we still have 18.2K for Bitcoin. So it's still pretty good right now. Bitcoin's still in pretty good standing. We're just waiting to see whether or not we break down below this area here, because if we do, then, obviously we're about to become bearish if we do that. So hopefully we don't do that. But hey, this is all I got for you all today. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section. Also, definitely check out my other channel, Marsellis Travels. I'm out here inside of Brazil right now in Sao Paulo. So I will be doing a lot of travel content on that channel as well. And also, if you want to pre-save my album, definitely do that. Link in the description. I put a lot of time into that album. It's a very good album. Definitely pre-save it. It comes out on January 1st. And as always, I'll be back with another video.